going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Today we're gonna be looking at a firework here that I think is the best non-aerial firework. And obviously I know there's other cool aerial fireworks, non-aerial fireworks, excuse me, that are probably better than this. But you guys gotta think, each one of these is like 67 cents a piece. I wanna show you guys just how small, I mean, like you said, $2 for this whole thing, which is like 66 cents for one of these. Obviously, like I said, there's better fountains, but for the price and what this does and how long it lasts, I mean, guys, look how small this is. It's tiny. We're gonna go be looking at this here in a second, but this thing is just tiny, and for how small it is, this thing's absolutely awesome. For how long it lasts a while. Of course, at the end of the video, we're gonna have to shoot some aerial. So also we got 2 XCals. At the end of the video, we're gonna be shooting off. So make sure you watch the end of the video. And if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks, guys. Have a good nice night. Here goes the second one. I know there's obviously better non-aerials or fountains in this. I mean, this doesn't do too much, but like it's almost as loud as like a firecracker or something. So I don't know. I think it's by far my favorite for the price. Like I said earlier, it's 66 cents per piece on these. So, well, guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please like the video. And if you guys want to see something new, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.